Hello beautiful people, so today I'm going to show you how I keep her braid last long and also how I make sure that her natural hair under those braids are well taken care of. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's keep continue with this video. The first thing I will do is to part her hair in small portions. This makes it easy to access every part of her hair, and I will spray some rosemary water on her hair. Because those braids tangle up a lot, spraying water on those braids helped out to detangle those braids. But because I'm also trying to moisturize her natural hair under those braids, I make sure to spray some rosemary water on her hair. Rosemary water helps promote hair growth. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. After spraying all this rosemary all over her hair, I will put her hair on a bun and let her sit under a steamer for about 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are over, I'm going to take out the steamer and part her hair in portions. This helped me to be able to access every part of her hair. Next, I'm going to spray a little bit of rosemary on her hair. Again, you don't have to do this part, but I always like to be extra. So I will spray a little bit of this rosemary water on her hair. Then I'm going to grab a leave-in conditioner. My favorite leave-in conditioner right now is this leave-in conditioner, which makes it easy because I get to just spray it on her hair. I like to use my finger to go between the braids. This helps to detangle the braids too. Next, I will grab my hair growth oil and put it on her scalp and massage each part of her scalp. If you're interested to see what kind of hair oil I'm using, I already posted a video of how I made this hair oil. This hair growth oil, I will link it above or put it below so you guys to see how I made this hair growth oil. It might take time to put oil in every part of her hair, but I believe that it's very important to reach every part of her hair. After putting oil all over her scalp, I'm going to put some oil on my hands and I'm going to try to put on her hair. And this will allow me to put oil not just on her scalp, but also making sure that her natural hair under those braids receive this hair growth oil. And as I am putting oil on her hair, I'm also using this opportunity to detangle her hair. So I will take time to go over the braids that's all tangled up together and just try to detangle them. Once this section of the hair is well detangled, I'm going to put it away and move on to another section. And I will repeat the same step for all part of the hair, and I like to do this in section to make sure that I reach every part of her hair. I try to do this once a week or twice a week if I have time. She had these braids for almost a month now. It's almost time to take this out, but I'm going to give it another week or so. But I always try to do this at least once a week.
I'm real clear, true fine glass. Magnify you like a spyglass. Number one, be my desire. Light the world and burn like a fire.
I ain't trying to be at the forefront, and no, I ain't trying to be the face of the movement. I don't wanna take your place, I don't wanna take your glory, yeah. Let my life be like glass so other people can see you. Let my heart be the path that lets your light come flooding in. I don't wanna be a barrier to your being the desire. I wanna be like glass. I wanna be free. Yeah. All I wanna show is you. All I wanna show is you. Let your light shine through me. All I wanna show is me. I can't lie. Oh. Sometimes I really be proud. Sometimes my spirit is haughty, my heart is conceited. I wanna take all the glory. Me, I can't lie. Oh. Sometimes when I'm on a roll, and I wanna hear crowds screaming my name, telling me, Sally, you're doing the thing. Pull up myself, killing the game, trying to keep all the glory for my name. Yeah, yeah. But it's not about me, no. No, it ain't about me, yo. It's always been about you. You're the center of the universe. All I show is you. your light. What's the point if they don't see you? Yeah, yeah. Everywhere I go, I really long hold on. When they see me, they will see you. Wherever I go, I will shine your light. What's the point if they don't see you? Yeah. Everywhere I go, I really long hold on.
Thank you for watching. Please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. See you on our next video. Bye.